Hello, this is the task for of Orinson Technologies internship. The task is to build a student performance prediction model. So the data set is from here. Um, Data set is from Kaggle, where um, this is the data set where the student. This is the marks secured by the students in high schools from students from United States, and it contains features like gender, race, or ethnicity of students, parental level of education, lunch and the test preparation and stuff, whether they had lunch or not and stuff, and the math score, reading score, and writing score. So the tech stack is as follows: with TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, sklearn, and stuff. So there are four steps involved for to build up a student performance prediction model. First is data cleaning and preparation. Second is descriptive statistics, visualizations, and predictive modeling. So we are importing the necessary libraries and we are loading the data set from Kaggle, and we are printing the first few rows of the data set. As you can see, this is the first few rows of the data set. And we are now cleaning and preparing the data for processing. So we are checking for missing values. So there are no missing values, and we are checking the data types of data that is present, and we can see that it is object and integer data type. So now we are describing the data, and we can see that the um, various min and max and stuff of the data. Now we're going to visualize the data in a histogram. So we're now visualizing the data, the math score, score, and writing score in a histogram, with also the kernel distribution um, here. Kernel with also the kernel density estimation here. As you can see, we have plotted the histogram with also the kernel density estimation, and we are now going to plot a box plot. So we are plotting a box plot with math score, reading score, writing score secured by the students, and as you can see, the math score for females is relatively higher when compared to male, and the reading score is relatively higher when compared to compared to males for females. And as you can see, also here the math score, um, there are very number of highs for females, and um, the median is above for females than males. And for reading score, the median and the quartile 1 and quartile 3 for the reading score is higher for male. But on the female side, as you can see, there are outliers and stuff, and more outliers, and generally the male have a higher reading score than females. And for writing score, um, they have less score, and also for males, the median is higher, and the top score is also higher. So when viewing this data, so like the math score is higher for females, and males comparatively rank higher in the other areas. So we are doing predictive modeling, and we can see that the mean square is 23.67 and R squared is 0.90, which says that the 90% of um, uh, the data correlates with the 90% of the test data correlates with the prediction model. And now we are visualizing the um, visualizing on a scatter plot, the testing and the prediction. So we are visualizing radars actual rating score and the predictor rating score, and this scatter plot.